Good evening, students. Today we are going to see about the step-by-step fractions, that is the case file. Already 4 cases have been posted. Please look on to the cases one by one so that you will understand what I am explaining in the case file over here. So now without any delay, let me start out this problem. 1 divided by 5 plus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 4. The first step what I will do, I will write it over here 2, then 4. This is the numerator part, then the denominator part. Then the next step is involved with this. How many steps over here? So I'm having here 2 steps, so I'm going to place here 2 blanks over here. Now look at here very carefully. That is about here. I have to check what number to be right above the first blank. It is 3, and for second blank it is 5. So now I'm going to write here, that is in the first blank I will be writing over here it is 5, and the first blank I'll write it over here 3, and the second blank write it over here it is 5. So now the next step I have to look on to the signs what is involved. So here it is plus, here also plus. So both the blanks are involved with the positive sign. Then the next I'm going to multiply here. Then after multiplying I'll be adding with the previous number. So I'll be getting here 4 into 3, that is plus 2 with the previous number. I will be getting here in the first blank, which is 14. Similarly, now I'm going to do the same calculation over here. So now this 14 into 5, then I'm going to add it with the previous number, that is with the 4. That I'm going to do here. It is 14 into 5 plus 4, that is 70 plus 4. I'm going to get here 74. That will be over the second blank. So now my answer comes over here. It is 1 the whole divided by. So I need not do any sort of reciprocal over here. So my final answer involved with 14 upon 74, which if I'm reducing them into lowest form, I would have got here 7 upon 37. That will be my answer for the first problem. Let's move on to the second problem over here. So in the second problem, the similar thing I'll be writing here 2, then 4. Then look out here, 2 steps are there. I'm going to place here 2 dashes over here. So for the first dash it is 3 and the second dash it is 5. So I will be writing over here it is plus and here it is minus, because the sign involved it is first it is plus, then it is minus. So that plus and minus only I'm writing here. So now the importance it is, so now I'm going to multiply this 4 into 3, then add with the previous number. So I'll be getting here 12 plus 2, that is 14. That 14 comes over in the first blank. Then next what I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply 14 into 5, and here it is a subtraction. Subtract with the previous number. So previous number involved for this it is 4. So that is minus 4. 70 minus 4, I would have got here it is 66. So now it is also 1 the whole divided by, my answer comes over here it is 14 upon 66. Then I have to reduce them into lowest term. I'm cancelling out with the 2 table. I'll get here 7 upon 33. Let's move on to the third problem. Suppose if you want to work it out along with me, you can first try pausing out the question and you can try it. Then you can look on to my video whether whatever the steps you have done, it is perfect. So you can also simultaneously practice the problem along with me too. So first I'll write here 2 and 4. So I'm going to write it over here. It is 2 and 4. Then 1, 2, 3 blanks, because it is 3 steps, right? 1, 2, 3. The first blank, the number is 3. Second blank, the number is 5. Third blank, the number is 3. Hope you understood. Now look at the sign. For first blank, it is plus. Second blank, minus. Third blank, plus. These are the first basic steps what is involved over here. Then you have to multiply. 4 into 3 you will multiply. Then you have to add it with the previous number you will be doing. So I'm going to get 4 into 3, then plus 2. That is 12 plus 2, which is 14. So I'll write it here 14. Okay. Now this 14 into 5, then minus 4. So 70 minus 4, that is 66. So now this is your previous number, right? So you are going to do with this number only. So I'll get here 66 the second blank. Next is here 66 into 3. So before 66, what is the previous number, which is 14? So I will do minus or plus. That's your doubt should be there. Here it is plus. So remember that you're going to place your plus 14. That's very important. Okay. Now here you'll get 198 plus 14, which is 212. So now you will be getting here as 212 in this last blank. So now here it is 3 plus of this. So which means that the reciprocal. That's very important understanding. Now try to reduce them. 66 and 212 I can reduce it. When I am reducing here, I'll be getting here reciprocal of 66 and 212 will be there. So I will be getting here 33 and this is 106. I'm going to get here. So my answer, the final answer, the reciprocal answer is 106 upon 33. So hope you understood. Next, move on to the next problem. So you may think this video is quite lengthy and also it's very important in understanding each and every problem. What is the difference of each and everything? So that's why the video is lengthy. You can pause in between. You can try to solve it. Then you can go through the remaining part. Okay. So first it is 2. Then it is 5. 1, 2, 3 blanks. 1, 2 and 3 blanks. Now for the first blank, 5, 1, 3. Right? 5, 1, 3. All are positive. Right? So if it is all are positive, it is very easy for my understanding over here. So 5 into 5, then plus 2, which is 25, plus 2, which is 27. Now 27 into 1, that is plus 5. So you will be getting 27 plus 5, you will be getting here 32. The next one, this is 32 into 3. So plus, before 32, what's the number? 27. So plus 27. That's very important understanding. So 96 plus 27, I'll get here it is 123. So now it is 1 the whole divided by. So no need of reciprocal over here. Directly you can write it here 32 over 123. So hope you understood this. The next one is involved with the various steps. The first is 1, then you will write 4. Write 1, then 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4 dashes. Because 4 steps are there, make sure you put 4 blanks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what you're going to write it, the numbers on the top, what I'm going to write. That's very important here, right? The first blank contains 4, second 3, then 2, then 2. Now look at the signs over here. Minus, minus, minus. The last one, it is plus. Then multiply. You are going to multiply over here. 4 into 4. You have minus and you will do minus 1, which is 16 minus 1, that is 15 in the first blank. The next step, what you're going to do over here, 15 into 3. Then you have minus this, you will do it over here. It is minus 4 you have to do here. That's very important over here. This is involved with this number. So this number is involved with this sign. Okay. That is minus 4, which gives us 45 minus 4 you will be having here. 41 you will be having here. So write that 41 over here. Then next 41 into 2 you have to do. Then previous number of 41, it is 15. So that only you're going to write it over here. 41 into 2, that minus 15, which is 82 minus 15, that is 67. That will be in the third blank. Next is 67 into 2, then plus of, you have here before 67 the number is 41 plus 41. So you'll get 134 plus 41, you will get as 175. The last blank you'll get as 175. Also remember that you have 2 plus of this. So it's very important to write the reciprocal. Reciprocal of 67 upon 175, that gives me my answer is 175 by 67. It's very, very important. This last problem involved with the various steps. So look carefully each and everything, pause the video, work it out, try more examples. If you have any queries, please put out on the chat box. I'll be definitely help you over on it. Okay, the comment section, that's very important. In the comments, the comments will help you to more develop whatever the doubts you have. Okay students, bye, take care. I will meet you in the next video. Bye students.